Hi, I'm Penelope.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And today we're going to be making a lip smacker pencil case. The first thing you have to do is click the link in the description to download these designs.
Now we're going to get our scissors and cut it out. Cut on the black line. This design that we're using is the strawberry lip smacker. Now the next thing is we have to cut off the cap.
We have to fold on the black line.
This is what it should look like after when you fold it.
Next, we have to glue this design onto the chip can, making sure that the colorful line is on the bottom. When you're gluing the design, wrap the paper around the chip can, and wherever the papers overlap, that's where you glue it. Make sure you put glue on the can so that the paper will stick. Now that we've glued this design, we have to glue on the cap. Where the paper's folded and sticking out, face that towards the can and not outwards. And you should also put the glue on the can so that the paper will stick and won't move too much.
You have to put the glue all around.
And putting glue where the paper overlaps. Because this is a tri-fold, paper is going to start sticking out, so that's where you have to put glue in between each layer. Now that the designs are all on the can, set it aside for 20 minutes and let it dry completely.
Now this is finished, we could store anything. I'm putting in this Tropical Punch lip balm. I'm putting this purple marker in, strawberry in there, I'm putting oatmeal cookie in there, and I'm putting this cotton candy lip balm.
I hope you enjoyed this video and comment below what you want us to do next.
Subscribe to our channel.